Move and rotate lights. So to find our lights, we have to come over here to our object list. And I'm going to come over here to my point lights. Now, the first thing we have to do is to show the grips and show the light. And so the light is right here in the white area, and then we have our grips. Now, in a point light, we can only move the light. We do this by grabbing onto these transform grips, and we just grab onto any one of these grips here, and we move it around. Okay, so we can only move a point light. Now, if I turn off the light, it works just as well as far as the movement. But when I get rid of the grips, I can't grab a hold of it then. So I can also right click and go to properties and come over here and turn the grips and lights on. That works too, but I like to have the grip and the light on. I don't really need the light, but it kind of helps. So I am actually going to turn these off right now, and I'm going to go over to my directional light. I'm going to turn on the grip and the light. You can see now, here I have this spear of grips. So I have my rotate grips on. And I come over here now, and I can grab, and using my left mouse button, I can spin this around in any of those three axes I want. And you see where the arrowheads are pointing. This is the direction of the light in the direction of these arrowheads. Okay, so I can spin those in any direction I want, so I can have the light coming from above down towards the feet. I can have it underneath going up, whichever way I like. I can spin this around. So the directional light can't be moved, but it can be rotated. So once again, I don't need to have the lights, but they help because they show me the direction basically. And maybe it gets too confusing, you can turn off the grid and just turn off the lights and you can only see the grips then maybe. But I do like to have both turned on. So you can rotate a directional light, and I can move a point light. All right, so I can come in here and put it up above now. So you can move or rotate lights, and those apply to directional and point lights.